Everyone needs to transfer money from your Hing Bank to account on PayPal. In this video, I'll tell you how to do this very quickly and easily. So firstly, open your PayPal or website and go to Wallet and Link a Bank. So you just go to the wallet and click on Link a Card right here, this button. If your bank supports instant linking, enter your Hing online banking details. Otherwise, choose the manual method and enter your IBAN. PayPal will send you 2 small deposits to confirm. Wait for PayPal to deposit 2 small amounts into your Hing account. Once received, check them in Hing, then enter the amounts in PayPal to verify the accounts. After that, you can add money to your PayPal, go to Wallet, transfer money, and then choose the add money from your bank. Enter your desired amounts and select transfer speeds, for example in seconds or in 3 to 5 days. The fees will apply. Confirm the transaction, instant via debit card or bank transfer within a few days. You can now use that balance for online purchases, sending money, or paying friends via PayPal. And that's how easy it is, guys. If this video and tutorial helped, like the video and subscribe for more banking tips, and see you in the next one.